Bawang, a first-class municipality in the province of La Union, is a town known for its beautiful beaches, warm-hearted people, and rich history. Located along the western coast of northern Luzon, Bawang is often called the gateway to Ilocandia, a symbol of progress, faith, and unity. With its scenic landscape and vibrant community life, Bawang continues to grow while keeping the spirit of tradition alive in every generation. Bawang continues to grow while keeping the spirit of tradition alive in every generation. The history of Bawang began during the Spanish period. It was officially founded in the year 1856, making it one of the oldest towns in La Union. The name Bawang came from the Ilocano word meaning river junction, referring to the Bawang River that flows into the West Philippine Sea. Through the years, the people of Bawang have remained steadfast, surviving wars, natural disasters, and change, yet keeping their faith and love for their town strong. At the heart of Bawang stands out of its most important landmarks, the Saints Peter and Paul Parish Church. Built during the Spanish era, this centuries-old church has become a living witness to generations of prayers, baptisms, weddings, and community celebrations. Bawang is also known for its deep devotion, hospitality, and strong family ties, values that continue to shape its people. Every fiesta, the town comes alive with music, color, and thanksgiving, reminding everyone of their shared faith and gratitude to God. Today, Bawang stands as one of the most progressive towns in La Union. It is home to hardworking farmers, fishermen, and entrepreneurs who help the local economy grow. Tourism also thrives here, with its famous beaches, resorts, and grape farms, welcoming visitors from across the country. Bawang La Union is more than just a town. It is a living story of faith, resilience, and pride. As time goes on, its people continue to honor their past while embracing the promise of a brighter future.